Hi guys, welcome back. So today I thought I would just do a little bit of vlogging. I'm gonna go to my local vegan stand and get either a vegan bowl or they just came out with vegan pozole, so I might go try that. But I'm off. I would just bring you guys along with me for a little vlog. And I'm probably gonna film my Sephora haul that has been long awaited. So yeah, so let's go. So I'm going to go get the vegan bowl and 2 vlogs together because I'm gonna vlog tomorrow because I have something really exciting to announce. Your girl is getting extensions back, so I thought I would film the whole process, but I'm trying to decide if I want to do like my grocery haul and kind of like my getting my extensions put in like one, or if I should make it a separate one. But I guess you'll find out when you're watching this video. But for now I'm gonna go get my vegan food, and yeah, so I will catch up with you guys when I get there. And I promise I'm gonna be going to this vegan place a lot, so when I get more comfortable I will film going there. But for now you'll see the finished result when I get it back in the car. Hi guys, so I just got back from the vegan place. It's all in here. So I got a vegan pozole, and she gave me a free donut. By the way, everything there is vegan, so you don't have to worry about anything dairy. This is a place in my city. It's in San Diego, so it's really good. I have chips. They didn't have any like to go. They literally just released the pozole today, so they didn't have any to go containers because usually the people that go to eat there, they usually like eat there like at the place. They don't have very many like to-go orders, so they had to put it in these cups, which I'm okay with. So I got those, and yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and eat this, and then I will talk to you guys in a little bit. Just in case you guys are wondering where my outfit is from, this is just a shirt from Zara. It's like an oversized shirt. I just tied it, and then Lulu's, and then some, can't really tell, Adidas shoes. They're like kind of like dad shoes. I don't know which ones they are, but yeah, so this is my outfit. So I put the pozole in a little mug. It is so good. So good, you guys. I honestly don't even know what's in it. I see a Brussels sprout. Maybe jackfruit. Some chickpeas, I think. Fantastic. So I thought I would go ahead and do a Whole Foods / Trader Joe's grocery haul, just because I feel like I picked up a few pretty cool, interesting, healthy items, so I thought I would share that with you guys. As many of you are too, I'm sure. I'm trying to get my butt back into gear with like working out and staying healthy, and I'm for the most part a vegetarian. I won't say that I am because I do eat chicken every once in a while, but for the most part I do not eat meat. I'll probably eat chicken maybe once a week, maybe, if that. I don't really have a desire to eat any meat. I don't find enjoyment out of it. And of course, as you all know, I'm a huge advocate for animals, so I don't really, that doesn't really sit well with me. So yeah, but I thought I would show you guys some things that I usually like pick up from Trader Joe's and Whole Foods. Trader Joe's not that many things, but yeah, I mostly shop at Whole Foods, and then I'll pick up some things from Trader Joe's like throughout the week if I feel like I need something, because the closest Whole Foods to me is about 15 minutes away, and Trader Joe's is like 7. So but yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy. Just I guess these are just some things that I usually pick up. I pick up like different things here and there too, but for the most part this is what I go for and what I grab. So let's get started. So I guess I'll do from Trader Joe's first because it's the least amount of stuff. So first thing are these country potatoes. I love these potatoes. You don't need any seasoning with them. They're so good. And then I got these peanut butter blondies. These are really good for like a snack. They're not that healthy, but I mean, it's better than like cake or ice cream or anything like that. So these are really good. You just take them out of the freezer for an hour and they're ready to eat. So I got this, I don't know how to pronounce it, but it's alucat. I'm not sure if that's how you pronounce it, but Trader Joe's has a lot of really good Indian food, and yeah, they're just really good. So I picked up this. I picked up a couple more, but I already ate them and I threw the box away, so I can't really show you, but there's a couple more like Indian dishes that I picked up that were really good. And then I think this is the last thing from Trader Joe's. I think I ate everything else, but these things, dark chocolate almond butter cups, you guys, please get these. They're so good. I literally, like, look, I literally, this is like what I'm running on. These are the Justin's cups, but this is what I'm running on, so I had to pick up some more. I'm obsessed with these things. They're so good. They're kind of high in sugar. They're 16 grams of sugar for 3 pieces, but they're super good, and again, it's better than like cake or ice cream or like, you know, anything big like that. So that is all I got from Trader Joe's. So we're gonna go ahead and move on to Whole Foods. So got some chopped kale for my smoothies. Some organic whole strawberries. By the way, organic, always get organic. I don't need to justify it, just thank me later. Some whole strawberries for my smoothies. Organic cauliflower, just to incorporate in different meals and stuff. Organic broccoli. Organic baby carrots. I love dipping these in ranch. It's the best snack. Oh my gosh, yum. I love these field roast corn dogs. They are so good. They're vegan. They're just, they literally taste like corn dogs, like real corn dogs, I'm telling you. I picked up this new brand that I haven't seen before. It's Carla Lee's Organic Nut Tacos, and basically they're vegan tacos, and you just kind of like, it comes with the mock meat and the tortilla, and you just kind of like add your own stuff to it, and these sound really good, so pick those up. And then I already ate some, but I got the Lundberg, the brown rice cakes. These are super good if you put peanut butter on them with like some bananas and honey and like coconut flakes. Super, super good. Then I got Ezekiel bread. This is the 7 sprouted grains. Thank me later once again. These are so healthy for you. It's such a good alternative to regular like English muffins. So good. Hold on, my dog is. Then I got some Dave's Killer bread. The good seed is my favorite. This is also organic, really good for you kind of bread. Better than white bread, multigrain bread. This is the best, really good. Cheese, 1 non-vegan cheese. And so non-vegan cheese is the Organic Valley made with milk from pasture-raised cows. I always look for that, and I always look for organic. So these are mild cheddar slices just to put on sandwiches. And I also got a vegan smoked provolone, and I really wanted to try this out on my sandwiches, and I also got this just in case I didn't like this, but I heard really good things about this brand, so I'll let you guys know how that tastes. Do I have any like vegan viewers? Like, I want to know like what is your experience and kind of like your whole like just experience, I guess. I've always wanted to be vegan, but I feel like I'm not disciplined enough, so yeah, let me know what you guys eat like in a day. Chipotle bitchin' sauce. This is so good, so good. You guys have to have this. It's good on any type, like cracker, chip, veggies, anything. Like I even put some of this in some soup that my friend made that was really spicy, and it actually like toned down the spiciness, and it was so good, and it made it like more creamy. So you can really do anything with these. They're so good. I ate all of them except for one. I've never heard of this brand, but it's the Rubicon Bakers. They're vegan vanilla cupcakes, and let me tell you, these are not good for you, but they're so good. Like I'm gonna go back and buy them again because they're just so good, and you need a treat every once in a while, so yeah. Then I got my favorite milk. Nobody else can buy this because it's my milk. No, I'm just kidding, but seriously, like this is the only milk I will ever buy again because they are from small local farms in New York, and they're 100% grass-fed, and they even have a picture of their cows on the front. So I'm obsessed with this milk. It tastes the best. It's just the best. I will never buy another milk ever again. And then I picked up these, one of my favorite like probiotics, like smoothie drinks. It's the Forager Project probiotic, strawberry probiotic shake. And I love to drink these when I just feel like I need something sweet, but something that's like still healthy and good for you, good for the gut. So yeah, got those. And I think that's it from Whole Foods. And then I have like other things that I've like already eaten, or like, you know, stuff like that, because I'm literally filming this like 2 days after I went to the store. So there are 2 things that I wanted to show you guys that I picked up while we're on the topic of being healthy and working out. I did get this Women's Best hyaluronic acid and collagen and biotin powder. I've never tried Women's Best, but obviously I've heard tons of amazing things on them. So I'm really excited to try this. It'll help my hair grow. It's gonna help with all that. Nice and healthy. And then my camera's actually on what I want to show you, but I got this off of Amazon, and it's a BCAA, and I got it from, of course, Paulina Varigova. She's my favorite YouTuber ever. But so I had to try it. It's a vegan BCAA, and I was actually informed that regular, like, cheap BCAAs are made from like duck feathers and like human hair, human skin, animal skin. Like, it's really quite nasty. And yeah, so I decided to go for the fermented vegan BCAAs. So I'm really excited to try that, and I'll let you guys know about this. I'm really excited. It's pink lemonade flavor, so that seemed like the tastiest option to me. So yeah, so that's that. So I'm gonna go finish my vegan pozole, and yeah. Oh, I also wanted to show you guys that I got some electrolytes. I've been getting a lot of headaches lately, and I found out that it was probably from not being hydrated with electrolytes. So I got some of that to put in my water. And then, but it's weird because my water that I drink is alkaline and has electrolytes. Well, I don't know, maybe it's just not enough. And then I also got bulletproof collagen protein. I was very skeptical on getting this just because it is from bovine, and again, like I said, things like that just don't sit right with me, but I really need to do it for the sake of my hair growth and just my skin and nails and just everything keeping it healthy. I have to do it. So you know, some things you just have to sacrifice. So yeah, so I'm gonna go finish my vegan pozole, and I will catch up with you guys later.